Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can design thumbnail like this. So let us move to the website. I have visited website to get this picture and the website name is Pixabay. I have saved this image just by clicking right click and save image. Okay. And after that I went to Canva and went to home and then YouTube thumbnail. Then I have selected blank one, and after that I have uploaded that downloaded picture here, and I just dragged it here and put in the whole area. Now it's time to put the price here. So how to do that? See, just to put the price here you have to select elements. So in upcoming lesson I will show you more, but here you can see lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos you will get here available, so you can make just by using photographs from here itself, videos, anyway, charts, frames, grids, whatever. So I will select, or I will see the lines and shapes. So I have selected that thing from here, this shape. I moved this shape here and okay, and I have changed the color. What color it was? It was white. So I have selected this, come to here and select the color. Okay. Now if you want to change the border style of this shape, then come to here, border, like border weight in this way, and border rounding you can select in this way. Okay. And if you want to change this black into like this color, then go here and select this color. Okay. Now the next part is putting $50 here. How to do that? Go to text, add, and put heading and put here $50. Okay, in this way. Okay, and simply drag it here. So what was the color of $50? It was black. Leave it black. So make it bold. So if you want to increase the size of $50, then just go and select this style. Okay. Even you can drag in this way, or you can drag in this way. Okay. So in this way you can download picture from the website and create thumbnail like this by using shapes and different angles. So just go ahead, try it, and you will love it. For now, bye bye.